What am I doing today on the mini lathe I bought in 2000? The Busy Bee Machine Tools, known as the Chinese mini lathe. This thing has done a lot of machine work. So what I'm doing is making a replacement part out of brass 2" by 6". Going pretty fast. I use a variac to the pulse modulated motor inside because the electronics in here have gone. So I'm using one leg of the, or one side of the, whatever you call it. I forget the name of the stupid thing, but it does work the motor. And where's the variac? Over here. Primitive but effective until I get my other lathes in operation. But this thing really goes like a dime. As you can see, I'm not filming it when it's running. As I mentioned before, I put a jack shaft or an extra shaft right in the spindle because I rarely use inside the spindle. And this I can run off a secondary motor if needed, just in case the motor inside dies or the other parts burn out. God, I wish they improve these things. At least do something about the electronics in these Chinese mini lathes, as they're called. This is being an older one. It's got all metal gears inside. No plastic. Damn plastic. Hate plastic. And I replaced anything, as I keep saying, that's plastic, like the handles are cast iron. So no plastic handles. And a brass one. Woohoo. So anyway, what am I doing is making a replacement part, because this part here, totally thrashed, bent, warped. And this is to hold a ship's wheel out of submarine, so I thought, oh well, to try and straighten that, well, you might be lucky. A bit of hydraulics and proper bending procedures, but again, this part's all screwed up. Somebody ripped this off a submarine or something. Totally pulled the whole thing, and this is all crooked, so it's a mess. So no problem in threading and putting a slot in here. That's easy stuff. Plus the whole thing's kind of deformed, so you can see it's quite a warp in it. So let's just make a new one. What the heck? Save this or something, I guess. There's a mini lathe over there for sure. A tiny one. I got lots of those. Vintage, old stuff I got in 2010 and time frame. A whole box of them. However, if anybody's interested in anything like that, I got stuff from the 1880s. Anyway, this is working good. Fast little thing going on here. Proper speed and tool angles for brass. And again, I could have used this, but I got to set this up with a flat belt pulley. This would probably be a lot better. I got a bunch of these as well. I like them. This is a Harding cataract lathe. I got Potters and other cataract lathes over here, of course. This is kind of a universal thing that I got that takes a lot of attachments. And I do have all the attachments for these cataract lathes. See, I got one, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 under here. Heavy little buggers, as you can see. Push it. Oh, that's heavy. Hold on, put you down. I got, let's see, how many of these things I got? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 under here. 6, 7 of them. And this thing. Off a Navy ship. And then my portable mill. Maybe I could even slide in it with this hand-driven milling machine. No problem, I got lots of mills. I'll use this little fellow here. He's quite done a lot of work too. Anyway, that's me, what I'm doing today, kind of. A lot of fun. Oh, did I finish this off? What was it supposed to do? Oh, get the motor running, yeah. Put a whole new piece of steel in there and bearing material. Busy, 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 busy. Alright, I'm going to shut up and go now. It's 6 minutes, almost 7 minutes talking about that.